Sylvanian Family Values Unboxing Country Dentist Set with Andrew Bowen. That's me. Okay, hello everyone. And now we go on to the last box, which is the dentist. Conjunto Dentist do Campo, which means the country dentist set. And again, it doesn't have it in English. Okay, but this is the box where we can see the dentist is working on a beaver. Probably makes an easy job because the tooth is sticking out there. And she seems very happy to be seeing her dentist for some reason, but still, maybe she's a sucker for pain. Okay, but now we're going to open it. So, let's see what we have inside. Well then, so we have all the dentist tools in this little plastic, bubble plastic compartment here. And we have all these various bits of furniture here, such as, this must be a bib for the patient. And we've also got the dentist chair. and I think this chair is adjustable. So you can put it up and back. We also have a little stool. That may be for where the dentist can sit and work. We've also got a little trolley here for putting the tools on. And we've also got the light for the dentist, and I think this must go in here. Yes, that is fine. Okay then, well, let's get these tools out and set them up and get the dentist to work because he's being a bit lazy at the moment sitting in the box. Okay, we'll see the finished thing in a moment. Okay, and now I have set up the dentist set. So here's the dentist chair, but the dentist hasn't got any customers at the moment. We have a little cup here for the client to rinse their mouth out. A little chair here, and we've got an assortment of interesting tools here. Look more like a sort of set for torturing someone, but
sometimes it is a torture.
Yeah. They've even got the pliers for removing the teeth. Okay, but I'm sure that this dentist doesn't like hurting people, and he's very gentle. Look, he's a nice little bunny, so I'm sure he's not going to be too nice. We've even got a couple of toothbrushes there as well, in case the teeth need a good clean. Okay, and that is the dentist set. Okay, so that's another one that is in the Sylvanian collection. Okay, so I think this is pretty much all of my unboxing sets, and very soon we'll be going back to animations. So goodbye for now, and see you again when I next appear on camera. Also, another thing that you can also do if you want more of this stuff is to subscribe, and make sure to hit the little like button and the notification button and this will allow you to see more of the things that I produce. Okay? Bye for now.